Hello people of the universe. Today I'm playing MeepCity. If you don't know who that is in the background, it is my sister. She's right there. Anyways, today I'm playing MeepCity. And Bloxburg. Well, I'm playing Bloxburg later in another video. So basically, this is.
Cannot do that to me as I do
This.
to you.
Okay, sure. This is my house right here, and then one house away, it is my sister's house here. YouTube channel.
I don't know.
I'll make you one later.
I think I do actually.
No, you don't. I'll make you one later. Don't
I
worry.
do, so you don't have to make me one.
What's it called?
I don't know.
I will make you one, whatever you want it to be called later.
I'm
Look
a
at-
unicorn girl here.
So basically, it's me that says, and I have my Gucci top on, but I don't have it here because I'm half devil. Look at my two. Can you see me, guys? I have no idea if you can see me. I can see myself on the screen. It says, what do you want?
You. Is that this ready on?
Later on. So I have. So I have 795 coins. Can you see? I just moved my webcam. Don't know if you saw, but yeah. And that was nothing to do with it. I just wanted to say that for some reason my hair. Something happened to my hair. Okay, let me put my headphones on. What is that? Oh my god, this girl is so cute, except from her skin. Look at this girl's skin. She trots along. My sister just said that's me, but look at her skin. She doesn't look. Let me noob on the game. Off the game. Excuse me, can you stop running? Like, I need to chase her. Excuse me. Hello. Let's see what she looks like off the game. Look at her. That is her, right there.
Excuse me, not new. That has been there for like 5 years now. I've had it for about 2 years.
I don't know if you can see her. That is her, right on my screen. I'm gonna add her.
Nobody else. One.
Where's that called? Friend request. Yay. 75 coins.
You ain't getting over.
I gotta move my screen.
I got it.
Am I recording? Yes. Guys, my screen. I don't know if you can see me, but it's gone. Oh no, I have to restart. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I love you all so much. I went off MeepCity, if you did not know, because I didn't. So yes, I love you all so much. Whatever you're doing right now, give this video a big thumbs up, and while you're doing that, subscribe. also, what if you really want some codes for clothing?
We'll do that next.
We'll do that next video. Here, so follow me on Roblox. My username is in the description, and follow my sister in Roblox. Her username is in the description. Love you all. Bye.
Though.
Peace out.